Kani gade Pati CTV.
Ka program ajing hikai halor ki khajna belatip kum ke level 4 training program on goods and service tax lanir GST. Kelas dang nen kesni khanyo trek mentau bna risau ha Shillong Law College bar ka bankot hadu ka arpoi trek mentahi ubnai. Lapalong yakani program ajing hikai halor konong rem ban perung no da ka good and service tax. Hak jaka jengki wei pat ki tax. Yakani program lapalong da katna taxation ke sarkar jilla. Ringkat ke jingit trelang bat ka office jong ka Commissioner of Central Excise and Service Tax Shillong. Kiriu sempang jong ini kitnat kleto ba ka jingmentoy na ka goods and service tax. Kalong namar kan bujli yaki wei pat ki jat tax ki baju dan haboro shikata hakimar ki mata. Nalor kani kan yarap ru ban pensteng ya ka jing o khajna. Kham tami ki pat ba bat kan penkiru hakaliang ka yo ka kon kumju hakaliang ka jingyo ya ka rihi boro ka wei ka balatep kum gross domestic product. Kani ka GST kan dan arbenta hakabaya ka tax ka balabo da ka sarkar jilla on tip da ka state goods and service tax. Kat baya ka balabo da ka sarkar pedengpan on tip da ka central goods and service tax. Hakani ka snis dang jong kani ka jing aji kai layo ya ka jing batay sapang ka goods and service tax na uba billing do kanchi ubadai u inspector jong ka taxes bernihan.
When the central government they implemented VATs, we want to minimize the cascading effect. Yes, we have been minimizing to some extent, but we have not been able to eliminate this cascading effect. You know that in the case of central excise, they charge tax on manufacturing, and in the case of central sales tax, there is no setup. We cannot adjust the tax that have been paid at the manufacturing level and the tax we paid for CST. And because of this, it will increase the tax burden on the common man.
Kani gade Pati CTV.